Good morning, everybody. It's Alex with Master Odor Removal. We are back at Porsche West Broward, servicing this Panamera for a level 4 cigarette smoke. Haven't been back here in quite a while. I'm not sure what happened. But anyway, we're back today and really proud to be back because we've serviced dozens and dozens of vehicles on this auto dealership's lot, the pre-owned lot, and just always a point of pride when you have a luxury dealership. You never want to lose it, but hadn't called us in like 6 or 7 months at least, and finally today here we are again. We're servicing again this Panamera 2022 Executive Edition for heavy tobacco. What we're going to do is very uncomplicated. We're going to service these translucent headliners. You can see there's some marks up there already from the other owner. I'm not sure if those will come out with the chemical, but we'll let him know, the sales manager. There's also some damage back there on the console area. We'll see when we get closer to it. But anyway, we're going to service these translucent window blockers from the headliner areas here, sunroof, dual sunroof, and then the back screen right there. We'll service these seats. In my opinion, yes, they are. They're ventilated seats. So we'll go ahead and service them with our second step molecular chemical. Let's smell the AC together. And we'll crank up the AC. And actually the AC smells okay. So regardless, we still will treat these seats. These are air-cooled and ventilated seats. So we'll make sure to get the chemical in there. There's also some scratches on the console up there as well. But anyway, a beautiful vehicle, only 38,000 miles on it, and we'll make sure it gets back down to neutral. All right, that's really basically it. We look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.